Fine. So as promised in our earlier video that this time we will be generating some characters A to Z, and it will be done dynamically using the autofill method. So we have a particular range, we call it the ASCII value, that is the uh, decimal equivalent of a character whichever we are feeding into the computer. So whenever we are writing, we are providing some input to the computer. Since computer understands only binary language, that particular character is being converted to the decimal, and then operating system converts it to the binary equivalent of that particular character, so that the changes can be made to the hardware. So we have a range from 65 to 90 and then 97 to 122. This is the range which we need to remember if you want to dynamically generate A to Z, and 97 to 122. So these are the ASCII equivalent. So 65 is the ASCII equivalent of A and 66 is the ASCII equivalent of B in caps. So 65 to 90 is the range for caps A to Z, and 97 to 122 is the range for small hand letter A to Z. So now we need to convert it to the character. So we'll be using the char function to convert this particular decimal to its character equivalent. Now we'll be using a function which is row. We'll be using the row function, and we'll be having C65. So as you can already assume that if this is the row 65 and if I drag all the way across to the down, so this is the column. So C is remaining constant but the row is changing. So if this one is 65, then the following cell will be 66 and then 67 and then 68 and so on, and it will be converted to the character, means ABCD. Let me press enter. So we are having caps A in capital letter. So here we are having A to J. Fine. Again we will be writing equal to char. We will be converting the character, the decimal number to its decimal, that is ASCII equivalent to its character value, and we will be using the row function. And this time we will be writing D97. So as you can assume that in autofill feature, if this one is the D97, then since this is a column, D will be remaining static, but this 97 will change since this is a row from 97 to 98 and then 99 and then 100 and so on. Now let me press enter. So if I drag all the way across to the down, sorry, my mistake, I didn't properly click the cell. Now if I drag all the way across to the down, we are having, okay, so here let me put the cursor in here and let me drag. So now we are having A to J, and this is in this way you can dynamically generate characters based on the ASCII value or the character or the decimal equivalent of the character. Character means ABCD. So this is the part 2 of the autofill feature. You can use these two features to give some serial number to a table. So serial number means 1, 2, 3, 4, and also you can use in the serial number, instead of using 1, 2, 3, 4, if you wish to give the labeling of the serial number as A, B, C, D, you can use these two features according to your convenience. That's all for this video. Thank you guys and happy coding.